Hey everyone, Bobby here from Bipper Media. So our amazing Citation Network has now been live for a little bit over a month now, and we are seeing already amazing results from the close to 200, I think, listings that we now have on the network. Here's things that we're seeing. Number one, you're getting citations that you can't get anywhere else. You get full schema markup, full do follow backlinks from our 300 directory network. And it's amazing and powerful. The results we're seeing is already huge increases on SEO authority. So your SEO authority score, traffic, organic search, rankings, clients are already seeing these amazing results, and we're not even a month in. So if you haven't heard about it, our Citation Network is really the only place that we know of that you can get 100% schema optimized citations, along with 100% do follow backlinks, making your citations unlike anything else you can get anywhere else on the market. So you have competitors, doesn't matter if you're a law firm, if you're a carpet cleaner, if you're AC repair in any local market. By you getting our citations, you're instantly differentiating yourself in the market, which Google's crawling, indexing, seeing your citations are different. They're more authoritative, they're more structured, and we're seeing the impact that our clients are already experiencing already just 1 month in to our network being live. So you got to get on. It's $39 a month. Get on this network. Start adding your locations. If you have any questions at all, schedule a call. We would love to get on a call with you and show you this amazing thing and answer your questions. And we look forward to talking to you.